Hey y'all, today it's not raining. Yesterday we got a thunderstorm and my garden got a beat down, and a lot of dirt got slung up on my beans and stuff. But I wanted to show y'all what I got today at Lowe's. Was I got me a bag of this black cow manure. um, I've never used this before. I actually can get some from a man from church that he collects over time from his cows, and I think he said he's had it for a year, so it's ready to get and be used. But I didn't have time to go to his house and get any, and so two of the Thornless Blackberries, and so I've got to get all of these in today. And also I got me a pretty peace rose, and I only gave $13 for it. It was marked down, and that is the color that I got, and it was a regular $24.98. So it's always good to go by your Lowe's and see what they've got marked down each day. So this is my week, I guess you'd say, haul at Lowe's. Each week I try to go get something new to build up into my garden area, and it just takes a little at a time to do a little, if you don't have a whole lot of funds coming in, you just do a little at a time until you got what you want. I've got one wild one from my granny's. I can go get more, but that one's got thorns on it, so I'll probably get a thorn one from her property and plant it to go with that one. And I put in this flower, and so I had to find somewhere to put it, and I decided to put that there. And you can see my green beans in the front row right there. Those are two rattlesnake beans that come up, and beyond that is okra. But you can see my green beans. I wish that I had done more green beans this year, but this was just a test run just to see if I can even grow them, because with it being my first time. So I think I'm getting closer to the decision of doing the other raised bed over here. But what I'm going to do first is get my deck porch built on my chicken coop. I may lay some plastic in the area that I'm going to have that raised bed there to keep that grass dead, because when I put this raised bed over here, I'm going to do it this fall, because it's going to get too hot here to even fool with anything in this yard other than having to, you got to come out here and cut grass. So but you can see, look, like more dirt has washed up in this ditch. Like, it's just constantly washing up in here. And I finally got this end of the where I planted these flowers. I finally got the dirt thrown up in here, because I had only done this end right here right before we went on vacation, and when we got back, I said I would finish this. So yesterday, that's what I did. Right here, I built this end up, and I planted that flower right there, and I transplanted some of my rose bushes throughout the yard, and I put in these two flowers on this side of my, these are tropical plants. I put one on each side of my bridge here, and they'll get really big and pretty. And purple is my favorite color. Let me see if I can get over here and show you the name of these. That one doesn't have the thing on it, so there you go. But that is a really pretty flower. So I've got to get these two blackberries in, figure out where I'm going to put those. I'll probably wind up putting them in, and then I'll wind up probably transplanting them and moving them again to a better spot. And then I've got to put that rose somewhere. That's what I'm going to be doing today. To get your dream garden, and you just have to do a little at a time. Especially if you're doing it by yourself, you have to buy a little at a time, and build it up a little at a time. And this is what I've done. I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe. Bye, y'all.